Why does one LED has massive delay before turning on? I searched for similar issues, but didn't find one exactly like I am experiencing. I recently replaced 4 old light fixtures with LED light fixtures in an existing room. In addition, I replaced 2 older dimmer switches with LED-compatible ones. The install was very easy. Everything worked right away. I'm not sure if the problem happened the next day or if it was good for a couple of days, but now when I turn the lights on first thing in the morning, 3 of them light up right away and the 4th does not. After 30-60 minutes, the light comes on and works fine for the whole day. This is the same every morning. I assumed the LED fixture was bad. So I ordered a single replacement and installed it. When I installed it, worked right away. However, the next morning it didn't come on again. So I don't think it is a problem with the light. If the switch was the issue, I don't understand why it would only affect the one light. The other 3 always work right away. I'm not sure what to try short of talking to an electrician. Update 1. This morning, I turned on the lights at 8:10. And it is 10:51. And the light still hasn't come on. Maybe this is getting worse or is completely not working now. I am going to buy a simple light switch and switch out the dimmer to see if it makes a difference. Question from user Chuck M at Stack Exchange. Answer. So, I have this working now. I tried a simple switch and it did not help. I swapped the lights and it didn't help. Finally, I took down the 2 back lights and redid the wiring. The non-working light was chained from the other light, so I took the caps and rewired everything I could. Once I put it back together, it worked. So I can only assume that there was a shaky connection for one of the connections. It is strange that it worked after a time after turning it on, but that does seem to be the issue. Thanks for everyone's help. Answer from user Chuck M at Stack Exchange.